make some tacos, and I'm so excited for this because it's one of my favorite dishes. And let's get started on talking about our ingredients. First, we have some hard taco shells. We got some mix of cheese. We have some ground beef, lettuce, and some hot sauce. This is my dad's favorite, and it's truffle sauce, hot truffle sauce. Also, we got tomatoes, onions, sour cream, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and cumin, chili powder, and oregano. Let's get started on making this dish. First, what we're going to do is get our ground beef. And this already has a bunch of oil, so we don't really need to put oil because it has a bunch of oil already. What we're just going to do is just mash this up and just real quick cook it. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to remove the fat once I cook the beef and make it all brown. And then we're going to drain the fat by taking out all the oil, like the water stuff that comes out of the meat. And when we do that, it's going to make all the grease and fat go away. And it's going to make the meat even more delicious. And then after that, we're going to add our seasonings. You don't want to put the seasonings first. You want to put them after you drain the grease and fat. Now we're going to do a quick ASMR moment here, guys. Okay, we're done with the ASMR moment, guys. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm just going to cook this till it becomes brown all the way everywhere and there's no pink left. Then, the reason why we're not putting any oil is because it's 80% beef and 20% fat. So, that's why we're not putting any oil. Okay, guys, so now that we've done this and cooked it all the way to the fact how it's no pink left, we're going to turn this off. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drain all the water and the fat out. So now that we took out all of the fat, now we're gonna add our seasonings like that, and we're gonna mix this up really good. We'll be right back after we mix. Gonna mix all of our seasonings in now. We're gonna mix this up really well. Now, even if you're a professional cook, you need to be careful on when this happens because you can get really hurt because of the grease and oil. It really burns bad. It hurts. Okay. Now that we mix that, what we're going to do is add a little bit of water, guys. Like that. And we're just going to mix that up. Now, the reason why we do that is so it can cook. Because if we don't, it's going to be like super dry and it's going to be hard to eat. And we'll be back after I put the lid on. So I'm going to put the lid on, guys, and let this cook for about 10 minutes to 10 minutes, yeah. Okay, guys, so now while we're letting that cook for about 10 minutes, we're going to prepare our vegetables. Let's get our lettuce first. Curl your fingers. Oops, came off the cutting board there. Okay, now that we've cut our lettuce, we're going to put it on the plate. Comment down below, guys, what your favorite vegetable is, so that I can use a lot of them in our dishes. I'm going to cut our tomato. So I'm going to take that off. I'm just going to cut this like this. Like we're going to do one here. So I'm just going to cut the tomato like this. Then I'm going to go like this. Now I'm going to go slow and steady with this, guys. You don't want to rush in cooking because you want the meal to come out perfect. I'm going to do one at a time. Now I'm about to get some more equipment that is safer for kids on this part, because like knives, I'm not at that level yet to where I'm like super professional. Now I'm gonna place these on our plate. Then we're gonna start cooking our onion, cutting our onion. Perfect. Now we're gonna start cutting our onion, guys. Now this part's gonna start burning my eyes, so please bear with me, guys. It burns, so I'm gonna try to do my best on onions. I've never cut onions, so this is gonna be a new experience. I'll move the plate. We don't want anything breaking. That's our timer for the meat. Alexa, please stop the timer. Now. Okay, now that we've added our onion, our tomatoes, and lettuce, now we're gonna go to our meat that is cooked. Now let's start assembling our taco. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something a little bit different than usual. We're gonna put cheese first. I'm gonna make something really cool. We're gonna put a little bit of cheese at the bottom. Then you wanna add your meat. Then you add your meat, guys. Then you're gonna add some more cheese. Actually, no. You're gonna put some onions, tomatoes, then some lettuce, and then we're gonna top it off with some more cheese. Now this is the better way of making a taco, so then you can get like some loaded stuff and it's really tasty. That's plenty of stuff now. Let's give it a go and try it out, guys. Oh wait, I forgot the secret ingredient, sour cream. Almost forgot that stuff. It's really good. Perfect. Now, guys, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Then let's take a bite. Taco train. My. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Bye.